Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be using a completely free AI tool to build our Shopify store in less than 12 minutes. So if you have any trouble building a store or you're too lazy to do it, it just takes too much time or you don't know how to do it, this tool should get rid of all your problems. So it's going to be a quick but very valuable video, so make sure you watch to the end. I'd recommend you guys follow along with the tutorial and do everything exactly as I'm doing in the video to get the most benefit out of it. If you guys are not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's @ecommarco. And if you want to learn dropshipping directly from me, you can sign up to my one-on-one mentorship below. I'll leave a link for that in the description. And with that being said, let's go straight into the video. All right, so I'll leave a link to this AI tool in the description so you guys can follow along with the tutorial. And when you click that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. So the first thing it's going to ask us is it's going to ask for our email. So let's enter that in and let's click access. Then it's going to ask us for our name. So I'm going to do Marco, and then we're going to set a password, agree to the terms of use and click access. And then it's going to take us to this page where we're going to choose the main color palette of the store. So I personally like the light blue color, so we're going to go for that and click done. Then it's going to ask us to choose our banners for the homepage. So we need to choose two of them. I'm liking this one and this one the most. So let's click done. And now we need to register for Shopify, so let's click on access Shopify. Then we're going to put our email in here and click start free trial. Then it's going to ask us a couple of questions here. You can either answer these or you can just skip them all. Personally, I usually just skip these questions. Then it's going to ask us for the country. I'm going to set United States and click next. And now we need to sign up to Shopify, so let's click sign up with email and let's set a password real quick, create Shopify account, and our Shopify store is now being created.
A few moments later.
And here we are inside of Shopify. So let's go back to the store builder, and it says that once we've completed the Shopify registration, we can come back here and just click the done button right here. Now the next step is for us to copy our Shopify domain. So let's click access Shopify right here, and we just need to copy this thing right here completely and go back. And now we need to paste it in here, click save, and then click done. And the next step is crucial. It's a little bit more complicated, so make sure you follow along. But the first thing we need to do is we need to click access Shopify app screen. Then we need to click allow custom app development. Then we need to click this again. Then click create an app. And then here we need to copy this, go back and just paste it in here. Or you can just manually type in e-com.express and then click create app. Then you need to click on configure admin API scopes right here. And now we just need to click each of these buttons. So you just need to go through and click every single one of these, which is going to take maybe a minute. So just make sure you do it properly and don't miss any of these. All right, so this basically took around a minute to complete, and this is the most difficult part, so you just need to click through these, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you're done with that, click save, and once we're done with that, we can return to this tab and then click the done button right here. All right, the next thing we need to do is we need to go to API credentials right here, or if somehow you lose access to this, make sure to go to apps and sales channels, click develop apps, then click on ecom express, and then click API credentials, and here you want to click install app. Click install, and then here you need to click reveal token once, and then you can click this button right here, or you can just select this and click copy. And then you go back here, you paste it in here and click save, and then click done. And the next step is activating the free trial on Shopify. So you can just go here, click select a plan, and here you have to select the Shopify plan, which is going to be the second plan right here. So click select Shopify, and then you need to enter your card details here. So I'll just do that real quick and I'll be back to you guys in a second. And once you're done with that, you're going to click subscribe right here, and here you're only going to pay $1, and you're going to get a 1-month free trial, and you're also going to get $50 for App Store credits, which you can use to buy any apps in the Shopify App Store for up to $50. So you still get the free trial and everything, and you're just going to click subscribe. And once you're done with that, we're going to go back here. Then you just need to click check Shopify settings. And if that's good, you're going to be able to click the done button down here. Let's click that. And now we're basically done with everything. So we just need to click customize my store, and it's going to take a few minutes to finish it. So let's click this button and let's see what happens. Customization in progress. Click done to proceed to the next step. Let's click done. Then a really cool feature is they're going to add 20 products to our store. So all we need to do is just click add products to your store, and that's going to be it. And now we can click done down here as well. And now the only thing that's left for us to do is for us to remove the Shopify password. So we're going to click access Shopify to publish your store. I didn't add my store address, so I'm going to need to do that before we can publish it. And now we can just uncheck our password right here, click save, and our store should be live and everyone should be able to access it. And before we see how the store turned out, let's just go back here and let's click done. Now it's going to ask us to activate Shopify payments, which you guys can do. So you will click access Shopify, go into your settings, go to payments, and then you would just click complete account setup, enter your details right here, and you'd be good to go. But since I'm not actually going to be running the store, we're not going to do that here. But make sure you do that, because if you don't connect payments to your store, your customers are not going to be able to check out. But I'm just going to click done, and we're done. So our store is now ready. We can just click access our store, and let's see how it looks. And here it is. So this is what the homepage looks like. I'm really liking this. It looks pretty branded. We're missing a logo and name, but you can make a logo in Canva in like 5 minutes and just add it in, and you'll be good to go. You have a store that's basically ready to go. We have some badges right here. We have a bunch of products that they imported for us right here. And these are actually some pretty good products that you can sell. I would just make sure you change the prices and adjust the offer, the sale. But other than that, the products are good to go. We have our best offers and also our best sellers right here. We have our offer of the day here, which is basically a countdown timer. Here we have a newsletter sign up button, and then we have another banner, and we have a pretty good looking footer at the bottom as well. And that's pretty much it. They also did some of the policies. So we have our terms of service, we have the privacy policy, the returns and refunds policy, and the shipping policy as well. The only thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to online store, pages, and then just choose any of the policies and just update the details that are in brackets. So here where it says email, you would just put in your store email, and here at the bottom as well, and then just repeat the process for every single one of these. So for the refund policy, you'd want to put your email address here, your return address, and that's basically it. So in less than 12 minutes, we have a store that's completely ready to go, and the store actually looks really good. We have like 20 products here that you can just start testing straight off the bat. And of course, you can make any changes to the store if there's something you don't like, or if you want to add a certain app or something. But overall, this is an amazing store, especially considering the fact that it's completely free and it took us less than 12 minutes. So I would highly recommend this tool. I'll leave a link for it in the description. And I think this is the perfect solution for anyone that doesn't have the time or doesn't know how to build a store, or anyone that just wants to build a store really quickly. And not many people know about this, so hopefully this video has helped you out. If any of you guys want to learn dropshipping from me directly, you can sign up for the one-on-one mentorship in the description. And if you're a good fit, I'll reach out to you and we'll start working together. If you guys are not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. It's at ecommarco. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope it helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.